Form 8283 reports non-cash charitable contributions when your total deduction for donated property is more than $500. This covers donations like clothing, furniture, vehicles, or stock, anything other than cash. You still need to itemize on Schedule A to take the deduction. Enter your name and Social Security number from your Form 1040. In Section A, describe each donated item or group of items, the organization you gave it to, and its fair market value, which is generally what a willing buyer would pay, not what you originally paid. Goods must be in good used condition or better to be deductible. Donations over $5,000 usually require a qualified written appraisal and Section B. Always get a receipt from the charity and keep photos and records of what you gave. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.